So in this video of the SEO course, so today we are going to tell you that how you can generate the report of the SEO. Is that clear? When you're doing SEO, whether it's for your own business or website, or maybe you're doing SEO for client, or even if you're doing job, you need to generate the report where you can showcase your performance and the performance of your client's website, okay, and analyze it properly. You see, we run a digital marketing agency, and for many years now, we provide SEO services, Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and other digital marketing services to our clients in India and other countries. So today I'm going to show you on my screen the Google Sheet or Excel report that we use. It's the 1 hour executives maintain for every single project, and I'll show you how you can also maintain a similar SEO sheet so that all the work that you do is always right there in front of you, its progress is clear, and you can easily analyze everything. And based on that, if you need to make any changes in future or cross check anything, so you can do that easily. So it's an important video because in this entire SEO course we've taught you everything. We have practically taught you SEO, technical SEO, on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and along with that how you can handle things like keywords using AI tools. So we've taught you every single thing. Now when you do SEO, then at the end you as well as the client also needs the report, right friends? Now I'm going to teach you that. So make sure you generate the reports in same way. Here, as you can see on the screen, we have opened this Google Sheet. And here you can see that this is our SEO project and we have targeted 30 keywords for it, right? These are keywords, the ones I've targeted, and these are URLs on which the keywords are ranking. And here we have the latest rankings, that on which page it is. For example, this keyword is at number 2 on the first page. So earlier, this was at number 1, now at 2. It's at top of first page like this rankings are shown. If it says 15 means it's on second page at 5th position. So here the customer, and even you can see clearly that our keywords are performing well, and these are URLs where it is ranking, and this is ranking data showing where the rankings stand. But how is it happening? Well, here you can see these are the latest social bookmarkings, and here this is social bookmarking. Then here we have the classified submission, business listings and image submissions, and forum posting. Then it's web 2.0 submissions, and besides that there are article submissions. So like this, all the current activities that are trending, the ons that actually get results, mostly those activities are regularly performed by our SEO executives. Is that clear? All right friends. Now if someone just says I did social bookmarking today on 5 sites, well, just by saying that it won't do anything, right? Because Google's ranking isn't entirely in your hands. You can't decide to bring a site to top page tomorrow or in 2 months. But you can focus on quality work. Have you done the job properly or not? But how will anyone know if the work was done or not? But someone can say that I've done SEO but did not got ranking, as it's Google's work. But at least you can do the work properly with good quality and can show it through reports, right? So here you can see the website where bookmarking was done. We have the link of that website, okay, and the URL that was created, okay, and here's the title. Here we have the username and password, and here is the approved URL, the actual link that we received. So anytime the client or the team, your boss or team leader, anyone can open this and can check easily that yes, you have genuinely created the social bookmarking there. So you can also cross check this. If you need to do something like editing or want to add something more or create another link, you can do that very easily. So this data means the submissions that you're doing, like bookmarking submissions, classified ads, business listings, forum postings, article submissions, or anything else, you need to manage all that data just like this and maintain it so that you can easily review your own work and check everything by yourself. And at the same time, even your client or maybe your team leader or boss can also check it easily. So friends, in this way you can practically create your SEO report and manage it very effectively, and it makes your work much easier. Plus you also build up a database for yourself. Suppose if you worked on a project for 1 or more years, then you've come across various websites in which you've researched and created links. So when you have that experience and data with you, that's what helps you progress, and it gets easier for you to work in other projects. and I really hope you have understood this well. How you can generate this SEO report and what all things you need to mention in it, right? What you have to keep in report for records so that you don't face any trouble or problems later on, okay? Thank you so much friends. I hope you have liked this course and this video.